Hi guys, and we are here at Pizza Hut Bistro. As you can see on my plate, it's the most talked about pizza in the town. It's the lechon pizza. So what's special? It's made of lechon. Top with some onions and lechon meat, taba, and balat. So all you have to do is pour some Mang Tomas, and then hindi mo siya ganun ba? Hindi. Ewan ko, tawag ko dyan Mang Tomas eh. So, ikaw.
And this is James,
Hello.
the man of the night. Thank you for the show.
Lechon. Anong masabi mo sa lechon pizza?
Lechon nga.
Lechon nga. Ayaw, ikaw.
It's the next big thing after lechon. It's the real one. It's just like eating lechon on a sandwich. Sarap.
Ikaw.
Super sarap, di siya nakakasawa at nakakabusog na sobra.
Healthy lang, healthy.
Siya healthy.
Ikaw.
Balat, lechon.
So, ayun, sit back and relax and enjoy. Watch out for our review at Food Pilipinas. And kakainin ko itong lechon pizza.
Okay.
Marlot vlogger, oh. Bye. So, and finally, I just tried the lechon pizza at Pizza Hut, and all I can say is that it's okay naman pala na magkaroon tayo lechon na pizza. The only super secret flavor of the lechon pizza is their liver sauce. Kung walang liver sauce, hindi nasarap yung lechon pizza nila. Okay na siya lagyan ng hot sauce, but I prefer the original recipe of the of Pizza Hut. So for only $4.99, you can order a bigger size lechon pizza, or you can have a promo. It's a 7.99 pesos medium lechon pizza, seafood supremo, Olive Garden salad, and 2 glasses of Castellero del Diablo Merlot. It's a red wine. Ito na una yung lechon pizza. So, I discovered that I can only eat 4 lechon pizza. So, pag kumain na ako ng 5, deadball na ako. Pero hindi, just isa pang pizza meal, a party pizza. So, pwede kayong unahin yung balat and then kainin na yung pizza. The crust is a lot more different. Hindi siya yung other pizza crust na in-order natin, pero the pizza crust is soft and it's easy to digest. So, you get your lechon pizza only here at Pizza Hut. And now, just ano muna ako? And finally, I just tried